Hi, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to share with you a very quick and simple way of making face and body cream using only 3 ingredients, and this is going to give you a smooth and glowing skin. And my first ingredient is tangerine peel. Yes, I'm going to use tangerine peel for this remedy. Tangerine peel contains antioxidants called tangeretin, vitamin C to a healthy skin. Alright, and this helps treat acne, tone the skin, slow down aging. Okay, so now I'm just breaking it into pieces just to add my coconut oil to infuse the nutrient from this peel. So coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for irritated chapped skin and increased collagen production. Now I'm going to do a double boiler method to infuse the nutrient from the peel to my coconut oil. So now I just poured hot water into this bowl and I'm going to place the peel and the oil into it. Okay, so I'm just giving it a stir just to allow the oil to soak in the nutrients. Okay, so I just cover it for some minutes. Okay, this is not going to take longer. This is about 20 to 15 minutes. All right, so when you strain it, you are going to feel the smell in the oil. You need to feel the smell, or you need to smell it in the oil. Okay, so it's done now, and I'm going to pour the oil. You can sieve it if you want. This does not contain any small particles, so I just pour it directly into the bowl, and this smells like tangerine. It really smells like tangerine. That tells me it has infused into this oil. Okay, so now I'm going to add my aloe vera gel I did in my last video. So this is it. This is the outcome of it, and I'm going to take a few teaspoons of the aloe vera to this oil. Okay, yeah. So I took about 3.5 teaspoons of this, and I'm mixing it very well. Okay, so everything will be mixed well. I'm going to add tea tree oil, which contains anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which helps to reduce acne scar, leaving you with smooth and clear skin. My next ingredient I'm adding is perfume, just to make this cream smells very good. Okay, mixing everything together, and I'm going to use my hand mixer just to help me mix it very well. This needs to be mixed very well, so we will not see any oil running through the cream. Okay, so if you have watched till this stage and you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and join this beautiful family of mine. Okay, this channel is about natural skincare remedy in a bit of lifestyle. So now I'm adding some of the oil to it. I realized it's not enough, so I added a bit to it. Okay, so do well to like this video, guys. Like this video for me. Okay, like it. It's going to help my channel very well. Okay, so now I'm done mixing everything together. All right, so I'm going to transfer it into a nice sanitized container. All right, So this is it, our cream is done, and this is going to help your skin glows, tone up the skin and glow. Okay, so now I'm going to give you guys a demonstration on my skin. Okay, I really love the consistency of the cream. It came out very nicely. So this is it. I love how my skin have absorbed the cream. Yeah. This is it, guys. Just have a look at how my skin is looking after I applied the cream. Very, very smooth and moisturized. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment and share with friends and family. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. All right, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.